sitting right there.
Hi everyone. Here's Angel. Ashlyn, say hi. Michaela. Welcome to the Green Acres Farm. And here are the flowers. It's very nice. Can you see that? We're gonna give you a tour. Hello. Hi. Hi. Look at how beautiful is this flowers right here. See? And that's the name of the farm. And over there we have the sunflower. And here's the gang. They're very beautiful. See that? Oh. Wow. It's so beautiful. I wonder. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to visit the Green Acre Farms. They have sunflower, and I think that was the daisies over there. So we'll
Those aren't daisies.
What was it then?
I have no idea.
Me neither. Me neither. So we'll ask the viewers. What was it? What kind of flowers are they? Know what I mean? Jellybean. Look. Oh, you can even get close up and personal. Oh, look how big are they? Look how big are those sunflowers. See? It's really huge. Here's my Miggy. Jeez. Let's get going. Wow, Kayla, it's so nice in here, baby. Look.
Highlighted.
Here they are, the sunflower field.
I like this picture more.
You can wipe your shoes right here, baby, by the grasses. Dali. Walk by the grass, baby. Walk by the grass and wipe it. You may take pictures for you.
No, I'm good. I already got some.
This is your lovely sunflower. Here's another one.
Don't sit on it.
Here's another one.
Don't sit on it.
You hear my mom? Yes, mom.
Good child.
Oh, more sunflowers. So beautiful over there. You can see the sunflower. It's sprinkling a little, but it's alright. Still nice. At least I have a hat, right? Miggy doesn't have any. Look.
Okay.
And here we are, another maze. Look what we got here. Here it is. It's beautiful. And the road. Here we go. Here we go. It's so beautiful. You go over there, Maggie. You can wipe your shoes. Here we go. Here's the sunflowers. Here we go. Here we go. Waking to the sunflower fields here in Green Acres Farm. The sunflower only facing that way, facing to the sun. That's why they are sunflowers, I guess. All right.